Mithura is saying another thing. That is, he is saying what is the five senses, how that will lead you to waste you. The way high senses are always kept under check. Why? Because a pot with a single hole will pour all the water down. So even though you are the pot, but you don't control your senses, then it will drain your energy, to your wealth, or your reputation, everything. So always have the pot closed. There should be no hole in any part of the pot. Wise man should knows the following six. If not properly taken care of, will leave us. So the following six you need to take in care. If not, they will leave you. What? Cow, you taking care. Wife, you should take care. You should leave you. Employee should take care, or they will leave you. Agriculture, if you don't take care, it is very difficult to grow. Friendship with the people with the low status. If you don't respect them, you leave 'em. And knowledge. If you have a knowledge, you should develop each and every day and you should prospect. If you don't take care of this, it will leave you first. It's a very important thing. So cow, you should take care. Wife, you should take care. Employees, you should take care. Or a good employees leave, you can't get them. Agriculture, you should take care daily. And friendship with people with a low status, very low people, you should have faith. If you don't have, they will become your enemies, the worst enemies. And knowledge, you should take care. Every day, you should understand, study, 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 study. So someday you can be a great person. The knowledge you should take care of yourself. It should be protected. You should remember. You should be revised. You should understand everything. So that is the six things you should have in the mind.